Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving a very, very special 1966 Chevelle. This one is probably one of the nicest Chevelle Malibus a guy's ever going to find. Just over the top rotisserie restoration, all back to, you know, how this car came factory, except for the add of the Super Sport hood, which I like that they did that. It adds a lot to the car, but it was factory Aztec bronze car, which is a one-year only color. You could only get this color in 1966. And then the restoration quality is just over the top. Underneath, you could eat off of. Painted a real high gloss black, almost like a mirror finish on the undercarriage.
I really like how they kept this one just bone stock with that 327, 275 horse, power steering. What a car.
Yeah, just special. Underneath the hood's beautiful.
Matte black, like it should be.
It's your factory.
So this was the Aztec bronze with that Aztec bronze interior as well?
Correct, yep. And then we have some neat documentation we'll show you too. Guy went through and documented, you know, all the numbers off of, you know, the engine components. It's got how many coats of paint he put on it, and here's the paint code and pictures of the body off restoration. Beautiful paint and chrome. Car was, you know, originally a California car, you know, even before they did the restoration, which is probably why it's still, you know, the undercarriage and stuff is so solid. They started with just a beautiful 50,000 original mile car and then did it over the top restoration.
And anytime you start with a low mileage car, you just can't go wrong. Look at the way the doors, the fenders, the back of the hood fits here. Looks like they did all new glass as well. The windshield looks super clean. Look at here, just if you can see there, just the body color right behind and underneath the dash pad is gorgeous.
Bucket seat console too, which is unique.
Corner of the door is perfect, and look at the paint and the door jambs and stuff. It still all looks wet. We'll show you some pictures of the restoration, which is in some of these photo albums here that just show all the doors and fenders and trunk and stuff all taken off. Yeah. Basically, it almost looked like it was put in his house.
Correct, yeah.
Protected.
Yeah, I mean, even the paint on the top of the door panels themselves, seats, all that's just...
They did all new rubbers and felts, Dalton, even around all these wing windows and stuff too.
Yeah, it's about as close to Trailer Queen as, you know, as you can find as far as, you know, overall condition.
Yep.
Here's Chad talking about all new felts. This is kind of neat too. We'll show you some of this. So,
well, most people do felts, but they don't do this, Dalton. They don't make sure all the chrome is like pristine here. Do you see that? Mm-hmm. And then all the new rubbers and stuff here. No one does that.
No.
You know, not very often.
So here's some information. We'll go to the first page again too.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
So this breaks down, started original, you know, black plate car, California car, 50,000 miles, 4-barrel car. He bought it. This is just kind of breaks down the history of it, which is really neat. A lot of these cars don't have that. And this breaks down, it was a factory Aztec bronze, one-year only car. They did the rotisserie frame off every nut and bolt. Body was stripped to bare metal.
Used 2 coats of PPG, 2 coats of this, choice of primer, all that crap. Interior's all new, factory original, buckets console, AM radio. Here's all your numbers, like you said, on the engine. Okay.
Started with a rust-free car, did not find any rust at all.
Nice.
The body part.
Yeah. Your end is 308, 10 bolt. Let's see what else. Tires, we changed that. Suspension, frame was power wash, sanded, done everything too. Electrical, all new wiring harness, except under the dash wiring harness was replaced. It's awesome. New wiring and everything. Even on a 50,000 mile car, here's, see what I'm talking about? It's just, what a quality build, huh?
Yeah.
I like that he didn't do headers or nothing either. He just kept it all stock.
It does have the original build sheet. There's a copy of it in this book. There.
It comes with original owner's manual, stuff like that, which is all protection plan, warranty card, all that stuff comes
very
with
neat.
it. So.
Well,
you're going to go around quick, D. I'll open the trunk. I'm going to go set this inside.
Yeah, the dash is beautiful. Over the roof is excellent. Such a beautiful color. We have a spring green 72 Nova right now, and Chad and I are like, why'd they ever stop making that color? This is the same way. It's crazy that this was a one-year only color. It's classy and very beautiful, especially with all that metallic. It's a great color. So we come around to the back here, bumper, all the trim around the tail lights and trunk, that was all, you know, restored as well. It's got a great shine on it. But look at this, and this isn't going to come through as nice in the video as it looks in person, but even the bottom side of the trunk lid just still looks wet, like it was buffed. Beautiful. Correct jack spare.
Look at this. I mean, no surface rust. No, you know how those mats always collect a little moisture? Yeah, you're right on this, Dalton. This is a, I mean, if this was a factory 396 Super Sport,
it'd be $100,000 car.
You're talking, yeah, at least 90. I mean, it's just unbelievable quality of restoration.
When we get around here, I'll show you the floors and stuff. Best
But this guy didn't do another one after a while.
He spent a lot of money on this one.
Yeah.
Even these a lot of times are pitted but it's like brand new. It's like a mirror. You know, it's not black, but it's got such a shine and reflection that even this Aztec bronze paint, you could shave anywhere in it.
Again, the driver's side corner of the door, front and back, top and bottom, all lines up great, the fender and everything, so it's very smooth. Great body lines on a 66 Chevelle and GTOs. Just even opening the doors, I mean, door handles are all new, but just even clicking the doors open, seeing all the bumpers all done, quality of the restoration. There's really not even, there's no wear going in or out of the seat at all.
Let's see if I can show you that undercarriage. We have all the pictures up on our website too. You're going to see it better up there, but underneath's all real shiny high gloss black. AM radio, I think, is the only thing that doesn't work.
I did notice that the AM radio don't work.
And there's one little scuff right here on the dash.
Here's your heater fan. That works great. It almost, I'm just trying to think if that's original paint there. I almost think this is original paint here, Dalton. I'm pretty sure it is. On the dash here. Because you can see it's just...
And the steering wheel is original. You can see just a little wear on that, but no cracks or nothing. Just tells you probably 50,000 miles.
Yeah, and it's good. I'm glad he left it that way. You can always repaint it if you want, but I like the originality of this part.
Yeah.
Your console lid, all latches properly. 2-speed power glide, 327. And if those 2-speed power glides are built right and shift good, they're an excellent transmission.
Yeah.
Here's your wipers. New wiper blades put on like we always do. We don't want to scratch those windshields. They park correctly. Here's your dome light. Well, this might not have power brakes and stuff, but we go through the brakes at Coyote Classics, make sure all the drums are turned and wheel cylinders aren't leaking, stuff like that. So we'll see how these brakes are. But it's really nice that it has power steering.
Yeah, it is. It'll still squeal the tires too. Yeah.
I was surprised by that. You don't trust the drum brakes, do you? Nervous?
No, brakes work good.
Look at that. I mean, absolutely no issue with those brakes. I think they're drum all the way around and they're no power. But I'll tell you what, they're stopped perfectly. Really nice idle as we get up here.
Runs great.
First gear shifts into second at 60. It's 65 mile an hour right there. 4 barrels kick in up to 70, 80. Look how it goes down the road, dude.
Excellent. Super quality car. Let's see, heater fan, that works.
Yep, I tried that first.
Gas gauge works, horn works, wipers work.
Gas gauge works, speedometer works perfect. Here's high-speed braking again.
Excellent.
I mean, I wouldn't worry about putting power disc brakes on it. It stops great.
Yeah.
We'll go ahead and
nice.
I mean, that's right up. With that 2-speed power glide just taking off, we did like a roller takeoff. We were at 65 mile an hour just like that.
Yeah, it runs great. It's good power. Super sweet car. I mean, this is one that will definitely take trophies at car shows.
At every car show. I mean, the paint, the interior, the undercarriage, it's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. Check it out more on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.